Hello, I'm Laura from Foxtecc. Today I'll walk you through how to bold text in your Instagram bio. You've probably noticed some people have unique fonts or even bold text in their bio, and you might be wondering how they do it. Well, I'll show you exactly how, and it's actually pretty simple. First, open the Instagram app and go to your profile. Once there, tap on Edit Profile and scroll down to the Bio section where you can type in your text. Now, this is where the magic happens. Open a web browser and search for a bold text generator tool. There are plenty of free ones online, so just pick one and enter the text you want to bold. Once you've typed in the text, the tool will convert it into bold. Copy the bold version of the text, go back to the Instagram app, and paste it into your bio. After that, simply tap Done to save the changes, and there you have it, bold text in your bio. Now, you don't always need to use an online generator. There are many keyboard apps available in the App Store that let you change fonts directly. With these apps, you can just switch to a different font and type in bold or other styles without needing to copy and paste from a browser. Thanks for watching. If this helped you add a little flair to your Instagram bio, don't forget to like the video and subscribe for more tips like this. See you later.